Do you dream of whipping up restaurant-quality meals but feel limited by your tiny kitchen? Craving hot, delicious food on camping trips or in your cramped dorm room? This Cuisinart cast iron single burner might be the missing piece to your culinary puzzle. This in-depth review delves into everything this compact powerhouse offers, helping you decide if it's the key to unlocking a world of delicious possibilities anywhere, anytime. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and current pricing on the Cuisinart cast iron single burner. This little powerhouse can be your key to unlocking a world of delicious possibilities, no matter where your culinary adventures take you. Who can benefit most from the Cuisinart cast iron single burner? Space-constrained cooks. If you have a tiny kitchen or limited counter space, the cast iron single burner is a game changer. College students, ditch the ramen and create delicious dorm room meals with ease. Outdoor enthusiasts, enjoy hot meals on camping trips, fishing excursions, or backyard adventures. RV and boat owners, expand your cooking capabilities without sacrificing valuable storage space. Anyone who loves to cook, the cast iron single burner versatility makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen for extra cooking power or creating side dishes outdoors. Imagine rustling up a sizzling stir-fry or simmering a hearty pot of chili without feeling like you're constantly bumping elbows in your shoebox-sized kitchen. The Cuisinart cast iron single burner compact design makes it a dream come true for space-challenged cooks. But don't be fooled by its size. This little burner boasts a powerful 1300-watt heating element that gets hot fast and stays hot for consistent cooking results. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a college student learning the ropes, you can confidently tackle a variety of dishes, from delicate sauces to perfectly seared steaks. Ditch the flimsy hot plates that burn out after a few uses and struggle to maintain heat. The cast iron single burner features a heavy-duty cast iron cooking surface that's the epitome of durability and heat retention. This translates to beautifully browned quesadillas, fluffy pancakes that rise perfectly, and evenly cooked vegetables all on a surface that wipes clean in seconds. The coil-less design eliminates the hassle of cleaning delicate heating coils, allowing you to spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your culinary creations. Imagine achieving the perfect sear on your salmon fillets or gently simmering a delicate bechamel sauce. The cast iron single burner 6-setting adjustable thermostat gives you complete control over the heat. Whether you need to keep something warm on low or bring a pot of water to a rapid boil on high, this versatile burner lets you achieve precise cooking temperatures with ease. No more undercooked meals or burnt offerings, just perfectly cooked dishes every single time. The illuminated ready and on indicator lights provide an extra layer of safety and convenience, letting you know when the burner is active at a glance. The true beauty of the cast iron single burner lies in its versatility. This isn't just a countertop burner, it's your portable kitchen companion. The compact design and lightweight construction make it ideal for a variety of situations. Dorm room savior, whip up quick and easy meals without relying on crowded communal kitchens or expensive takeout. From ramen noodles to grilled cheese sandwiches, the cast iron single burner is your ticket to delicious dorm room meals. Camping chef's dream. Enjoy hot, delicious meals cooked to perfection under the stars. Whether you're simmering a hearty stew or searing fresh caught fish over a campfire, the cast iron single burner expands your culinary horizons on any camping trip. RV and boat essential. Limited counter space in your RV or boat shouldn't limit your cooking options. The cast iron single burner provides additional cooking power without sacrificing precious storage space. Patio and outdoor entertaining hero. Expand your cooking space and impress your guests by whipping up delicious side dishes or sauces outdoors. The cast iron single burner is perfect for creating a festive atmosphere while keeping the party going. Nobody enjoys scrubbing greasy messes after a delicious meal. Thankfully, the cast iron single burner's smooth, cast iron surface makes cleaning a breeze. Simply wipe it down with a damp cloth and you're done. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your culinary creations or savoring quality time with loved ones. Cuisinart stands behind its products, and the cast iron single burner comes with a limited 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. This shows their commitment to quality and ensures you can enjoy your purchase with confidence. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.